It has been conclusively decided in the scriptures, after due consideration, that the ultimate goal for the welfare of human society is detachment from the bodily concept of life and increased and steadfast attachment for the Supreme Lord, who is transcendental, beyond the modes of material nature. Everyone in human society is engaged for the ultimate benefit of life, but persons who are in the bodily conception cannot achieve the ultimate goal, nor can they understand what it is. The ultimate goal of life is described in Bhagavad Gita. Param drishtva nivartat. When one finds out the supreme goal of life, he naturally becomes detached from the bodily concept. Here in this verse, the indication is that one has to steadfastly increase attachment for the transcendence Brahmani. As confirmed in the Vedanta Sutra, Athato Brahm Jignasa, without inquiry about the supreme, or the transcendence, one cannot give up attachment for this material world. By the evolutionary process in the Kumshavul, because in all those species of life, the bodily conception is very prominent. Athato Brahm Jignasa means that in order to get out of the bodily conception, one has to increase attachment to or inquiry about Brahm. Then he can be situated in the transcendental devotional service Shravam, Kirtan and Vishnu. To increase attachment for Brahm means to engage in devotional service. Those who are attached to the impersonal form of Brahm cannot remain attached for very long. Impersonalists, after rejecting this world as mithya, or false Jagan mithya, come down again to this Jagan mithya, although they take sannyasa to increase their attachment for Brahm. Similarly, many yogis who are attached to the localized aspect of Brahm as Paramatma, great sages like Vishvamit, also fall down as victims of women. Therefore, increased attachment for the Supreme Personality of Godhead is advised in all Shastras. That is the only way of detachment from material existence, and is explained in Bhagavad Gita as Param drishtva nivartat. One can cease material activities when he actually has the taste for devotional service. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also recommended love of Godhead as the ultimate goal of life. Without increasing love of Godhead, one cannot achieve the perfectional stage of the transcendental position.